So in this video, quickly, I'm going to show you how to create a mock-up. Now, this is what I mean by a mock-up, a flyer mock-up actually. So this is it. So this is like what you use to display your design. If you finish making a flyer, you use a mock-up to display it. So you can see this. You can also see this. It's a mock-up. You can see it feels like I'm placing a physical flyer on a flat surface. You can see the shadow behind and all that stuff. So I want to show you how you can create this. So if you finish designing your flyer, and then you have something like you have something like this is your actual flyer. You need to be able to turn it into a mock-up like this. You understand? Like this or like this. So that's what this video is all about. So before I proceed, if it's your first time coming to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, because that's the only way you can actually support me, and then you can also access more videos like this. So for this tutorial, I'll be using PixelLab. I'm sure you know. Okay, if this is not your first time, you should know that I make all my designs using PixelLab. So PixelLab is a free application for all Android users. You can get it on Play Store for free. So once you open PixelLab, this is exactly what you'll see. And the first thing you want to do is to decide the color of your background. So let's say I want my background to be let's say I want my background to be yellow. I'll click on this, change my background to yellow, or I select the shade of yellow that I want. Boom. Then I'll import my flyer by clicking on the plus sign at the top left of my screen. Then I'm going to choose a design. So I'm going to choose let's say I'm going to use this. Let me look for something else. I think I would use okay, let me use this. Yes, so this is going to be perfect. So this is a design I made. This is a flyer. So right now I want to turn it into like a mock-up. So I'll position it at the center of my background, but that's not all. That's not the main job. The main job is to add the right shade of shadow behind this design, so that the whole mock-up effects can come out. So to do that, click on this, add shape, then just resize it to like this. Click OK. Then you're going to scroll down and add shadow. And then you're going to increase the blur a little bit. Then you're going to use this to bring it down. That is a shadow. That's all. So that's what we want to create. Then right now we're going to put this behind the flyer, but before we do that, we're going to rotate it a little bit like this. Then we're going to put it behind the flyer by scrolling to this option that says to back. So once you click on this, it goes behind. So you can see the shadow behind the flyer already. That's it. So I'm going to duplicate it by clicking copy, and I'm going to put it on this other side. I'll rotate it a little bit, then I'll click on to back. You can see. Then now I've already added like shadows already to this, and I love the way it looks already. Then I'm going to copy again. I'm going to put it behind this part. Yes. Yeah, that's it. So you can see this is what our mock-up already looks like, and this is it. We're already done with the old mock-up. That's what it look like. Then if you want to adjust it, you can always click on this to see the number of elements you have used, then click on any one you want to adjust, like the position, and then you can adjust your sheet anytime you want. I'm going to adjust it. So that's it. So then you can also decide, okay, if yellow is not the perfect background color, you can change your background color to like gray, blue, or white. You can see basically anything. You can make your background anything that fits the design. That's the whole idea. So if you have any questions, of course, that's why you have the comments. So drop all your questions in the comments, then I will always check them out as soon as I see them. Yeah, that's it for this video.